What's up, guys? How are you? I hope you're doing good, doing fine, and I hope you're practicing our last Tai Chi movements and the Qigong movements that we had practiced in this channel before. So, we have learned different kinds of movements for different conditions in our body. So, today we are gonna practice a new move which will help you to reduce your finger stiffness and the hands and the wrist problem and the palm and the wrist issues. So, this move will help you to reduce your problem with the stiffness and the painful conditions. So let's go for it. To practice this move, first of all, we will learn some movements that is basically for finger, and it's not that much difficult to do, and it's very simple to do. So you just need to stand like this, and you can do it when you are sitting position. It's all about your hands and wrist and your finger. Okay, so no need to be worried about it. If you see the wave of the river and the sea, you are just moving your hand like the wave of it, and if you do like this, you will gradually improve the stiffness of your finger. So let me show you how to do it in this way. Okay, so for this, you just keep your hand straight. Okay, straight, and then you're moving this, you're moving your finger like this, like a wave. Okay, so let me show you in close. So like this, in one hand, like this, you're gonna practice like this way. So for the left hand, you can practice like this. Okay, you can practice like this. So this is a very simple movement. For this movement, you can stand like this way and just keep your hand straight and move your finger like this. Okay, move your finger like this. So this will actually reduce your stiffness of your finger. And this is for the finger movement. Okay, this is simply, you can do it in your sitting position, you're standing, you're in a home, you can do it anywhere. But for the wrist movement, you just need to straight your hand, keep your finger together, all of the finger together, and move like this, and slowly move upwards. This way you can move your wrist joint, and this will help you to reduce the stiffness of your wrist joint. Okay, if I show it closely, like straight hand, and then keeping all your finger together. Okay, together, you see, together. So this, then moving your wrist joint, keeping your all finger straight, you can just move your wrist joint downwards, and then you can move it to upward. Okay, downward and upward. You just remember, you need to put it simply like 90-degree up and 90-degree down. You just remember, you are making a 90-degree angle with your palm and with your forearm. You're making this angle 90-degree, both side. Okay, both side. This is good especially for the people who use their wrist so much and they feel pain, and they can easily practice this 2 to 3 minutes after hard work. For 30 minutes you can take a break and do it for 2 to 3 minutes. This will reduce your wrist stiffness. Okay, so this is all for today, and I hope you will learn something. You will practice it in your home to reduce your finger and wrist stiffness. Thank you so much for watching, and if you think it's helpful, then you can share this video, like, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel.